Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to create Google Form quiz. So the first step is to simply go to Google Forms, and then you'll have to click on create a blank project, and then here you'll have to enter the name and the descriptions, and then here you have to add your question, and then if you want you can choose here different options, but the base one is this one, multiple choices. So if you want you can add different options, and let's say option 3 is the right answer. So what you'll have to do is make sure this one is selected, but before that you'll have to go to settings and then enable make this a quiz. Now go back to questions, and then here you'll have to click on answer key and then select option 3. So for this question, this will be the right answer, and you can create as many questions you want. And then after you finish this, you'll have to click on send, and then here you'll have to copy the link, and then you can share it with everyone. So everyone who access this link will get redirected to this quiz and they can answer. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.